We're combining Corona Sun Brew with mini margaritas.
Are you ready for the summer banger?
It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
Let's get drinking. We gotta open these Coronas. Do you have anything to open it with? Wait. Okay, let's try it with this. Kids,
don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. We're trained alcoholic professionals.
Oh my!
That's staying in. That's staying in. Did it really try?
Yes.
Kids, don't drink and pop things open.
You shoot an eye out. Apparently mine.
All right. So what we gotta do is we gotta
not lose an eye.
Not lose an eye. We gotta take a swig of this. Cheers. Oh, this is your first time trying it, right?
Yeah.
Try it out. Try it out.
Interesting.
That's actually really refreshing. I gotta wait for the head to pop out. But I like this. I'm not a big fan of Corona, but I like the flavor of this.
I remember back in the day, Corona was a thing to drink.
I always hated Corona. I was never a big fan of it at all. But let's pour in the margarita. I mean, I got a lot of head on this. Yeah, that's not working. Mine didn't work. No, I failed. This video is gonna be one big ass blooper. How was it?
All right. I can't complain.
Wait, I'm not even gonna try it. I know I'm gonna spill it everywhere. I was gonna try to put it upside down, but
like that.
Yeah, like that. Oh damn! It's the.
Hold it.
This is gonna be the best video ever.
All right, ready?
I already drank some. Here, let's do it.
Well,
oh wait, you can't do it. Cheers with us.
Kick, clack.
If you want the mini margarita recipe, make sure you click on the other short where we make the mini margarita.
Okay.
What do you think?
It doesn't taste like we'd even add anything into it.
This is dangerous.
Yeah. Sneaky.
Make sure you subscribe for future videos. Leave a comment if this exploded on you the way it did for us.
Or if your friend tried to shoot your eye out. Or
finish him! Game over.
Are you okay, Snake?
Snake!
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
That's the greatest episode ever. I just